everyone, Mona Zeli with the Short Tax. Today I'm going to talk about some of the tax saving strategies for employees as well as for business owners. So when you're an employee, a W-2 employee, you don't get a lot of deductions. So what we always suggest to people who are W-2 employees that have a business on a site so you can get some deductions. Because even if you have a small business, that's your hobby or whatever, you still get to deduct the expenses related to that. In addition to that, you can always look at your retirement savings, 401k plans, IRAs, Roth IRAs, and health savings account. Make sure that you're always maximizing those. Also, for somebody who's a W-2 employee, we always suggest that, if you can, have a rental property. Because again, the rental property allows you to take a lot of deductions on your taxes. The property appreciates, it allows you to have a reduction on your expenses as well as depreciation. And also, you need to look at deducting all of your healthcare expenses when you're a W-2 employee. So if you're a business owner, you have a lot of flexibility. We can maximize your retirement deductions, making sure that you're contributing to your IRAs, Roth IRAs, and health savings account. There's a lot of flexibility there as to how much you can contribute and into what kind of savings vehicle you can contribute. When you are starting up a business, there are business startup costs associated with that, and we can take a deduction for that. And also make sure that you're doing a good job in terms of bookkeeping all of your expenses as to where the money is coming from and where the money is going. Because if you're not doing a good job there, first of all, you're not measuring your business on a month-to-month basis. Second of all, you will not be able to take all the deductions because you'll always forget taking some of those deductions tax time. So make sure you're doing a good job bookkeeping. Also, depending on the type of business, whether you're an LLC or an S Corp, makes a difference. If you're making good money, we always suggest that you need to go towards an S Corp type of structure because you would be able to save more money in taxes with the S Corp. As a business owner, this is a good year to buy a vehicle. You get to take a bigger deduction on your vehicle, so maximizing your vehicle deduction is very important as well. Tracking all of your technology expenses like your cell phone, your iPhone purchases, your camera purchases, make sure that we can take a deduction for that as well. Travel and dining is another important category. A lot of people travel for business meetings and all that, and we need to make sure that we are taking deductions for all the airfare, hotel, entertainment. Same thing, for business owners, you should also consider a rental property as with the W-2 employees, and also looking at deducting all of your healthcare expenses, making sure that all the insurance premiums and all that are going to be a deduction for you. So, we are going to be doing a tax planning seminar November 3 in our office. If you're available from 11 to 12, please join us, and we're going to go over these strategies more in detail, as well as going over some of the tax planning tips for the coming year. As you know, a lot of changes coming in 2018 because of the new tax laws, and this is the time to plan for all those changes so you can take a bigger deduction next year.